What's up, guys? As you can see, we're back in GA. That's short for Georgia.
I know there's gonna be a lot of acronyms today.
Yep, that's basically what I do. I'm an acronym. We got all three vehicles sitting here. Jason, don't worry about what I say. Just listen to how I say it. We got 3 vehicles right here. Uno, dos, tres. Okay, yes. For our Spanish people in Mexico. I'm looking out for you guys.
We have friends down there.
But we do have a pretty good
We want to tell you what we're doing. We've been teasing this for weeks. Teasing. So what are we going to do? Let's just give the high points.
All right, so we're going to take the front end out of the black beneficator. Yep. The front end being the suspension component, steering rack, all that's coming out. One piece. Whoop. Then we're going to take this and we're going to put it in here. So, whoop. And then after we get whoop in, we're going to take the transmission and engine out of that, whoop, and we're going to put it in here. Whoop.
What kind of engine's that?
That's got a Coyote engine with a 6R80 transmission. That's a 6-speed automatic transmission. We're going to put that in here. So basically, we're Coyote swapping.
Yep.
And we're Crown Vic front suspension swapping. Plus, we're going to be C-notching the frame and the rear to get it low and slow. Right? Basically.
I think it's going to be incredible.
It's going to be pretty immense.
So what are we doing today?
Today, wait, what are we going to call this? Oh, we need a name, guys. Oh, we're gonna pretend like we're gonna let you pick it and not tell you that we already have it.
And now what all the YouTubers do, hey guys, tell us what you think we should call it.
Because we're gonna call it the Jammerody.
But if you guys would like to suggest something different, we definitely won't use it.
Won't. At all. We're gonna actually create a survey that you guys can go out and answer, and then we're just gonna do our own name.
Let's create a survey.
Jammer Yodi.
Because you know what? We're at 1,000 subs now. We can do whatever
we don't need anyone. We'll pull those.
Awesome. Well, let's pull the front out of this car.
Let's do it.
All right, everybody. We are getting going here. We pulled off the master cylinder.
Yep.
And we pulled off, disconnected these brake lines back here. And then we're pulling off the trailing link. That's what
I think it's called, a trailing link, I think.
Right?
Yeah.
And then we pulled the front sway arm, right? Disconnected it on both sides.
Yep.
So basically, there's not a whole lot left. The theory is we pull these 2 off and we should be almost completely disconnected. And we can use our gantry to basically lift the car and pull the front end out. There we go.
Right, so,
oh man, it's really muddy right there.
Yeah, so I want to give a shout out to the guys over at Farm Truck Racing Texas. Not the guys you see on TV. These guys actually work for a living. They're not TV guys. He told us to keep this. I don't know if we need this whole assembly, so comment down below, brother, if we do, but I know you said to keep the master cylinder.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna keep this whole assembly until you tell us otherwise, because you're the master and we're the guys playing it on TV.
Right. Well, we did a good job disassembling, but we don't know if we can get anything back together.
No, I mean, I never get it back together.
We were looking down here below. Can you show everybody on the other side?
Yeah, so
I can get a good shot of
these trailing arms, they go through and then they also bolt to the frame. So we're gonna take, there's one here, one down here, and one down here. So there's 3 on either side. So we're gonna pull those off.
Yep. And then that way we can lift basically the frame off the front suspension, right?
That's the hope.
Quick update, where are we at, buddy?
Up from the grave it rolls. Right now, the plan is we're gonna pull on our wrecking ball system. For those of you that haven't watched that video, please watch it. It's only 1 minute and 20 seconds long.
Yep.
But I basically come in like a wrecking ball.
You do.
We're gonna lift the body of the car up, and once we get it up, we're gonna pull that front suspension out.
We're gonna roll it right out the front.
Right out the front.
That's the plan.
And that's why we bought this awesome gantry.
Yes.
One of the reasons.
Here, let me show everybody kind of what it looks like here, because it's in the shot right now, you can't really see it. So, you guys see, pretty heavy duty little system here.
Big old freaking I-beam.
Little chain hoist, right?
Yep.
You know, we've been fighting with these 2 black bolts.
Yep.
Trying to get it twisted and trying to get these things out. So there's actually another bolt underneath that we're hitting. So I think we got it loose. I think everything's out, and now we're just gonna lift it up and see what happens.
Let's do it. They were late, brother. We got a line right here we need to get. Brake line. We got another brake line. Right here. Oh no, we're good.
You're topped out.
We're out. All right, hold on.
Okay, now what do we got? Here. Alright. Right here.
Alright, Ryan.
Yeah, Lee.
Look at that.
I say we
Is that the dream? Is that what the end result is supposed to be?
this now the easy part is putting it in the truck.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna be way easier. Because I mean, I don't know if you guys know this, but Ford doesn't make these to fit in those.
Oh.
So that's why our
That's
buddy.
not what you told me.
Yeah, well, I filled you full of lies to get you to do this whole project. No, there's a guy at Dave at Team 321 in Cocoa Beach.
Yep.
He sent us our kit. We'll have it probably tomorrow or the next day.
Cool.
We'll be able to slam it in there after we destroy that frame. But I mean, what do you guys think of our toy?
Yeah, that's quite the carcass right there.
It's pretty cool though, ain't it?
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. All right.
Oh.
So we just need to lower that thing down, put it on the blocks.
Yep.
And then we have our front end here.
Yep.
All ready to go.
Yep. What's up, guys?
As if this wasn't exciting enough.
Oh God, watch out now.
It's like Cirque du Soleil, jammer style.
Where's my tats?
That's what we need. Hey guys, thanks for watching this episode. We really appreciate it. Hey, if you get a chance, reach down, click that button that says subscribe, and the bell next to it. That really helps us out.
Wait, Jason, we don't have to ask anymore. We got 1,000. We're good.
No, we're going for 10,000 now.
10,000? Are you out here? Oh, good Lord, it's moving. Please finish up quickly.
All right. Hey, we would appreciate your support. Do hit the bell because that notifies you every single time we launch a new video. And
on that note, we'll see you next time.